I wanted to go with the branch logic activity that we did last week because I had some problems with linking it together, and I found out why when I was working on it today. I'll tell you when we get there. So I went ahead and made a form, and I did my first name, last name, and my email address. Then I entered my first question: what district is your school in? District 1, District 2, District 3. What I want to have happen is if they select District 1, I want them to go to a set of questions for District 1, the same thing for District 2, and the same thing for District 3. So in order to do that, I have to put in a section. So I'm going to click on my question, and then I'm going to click Insert a Section, and I'm going to call it District 1 so I'll know what it is. Okay, I'm going to call it District 1. And then underneath District 1, I want to have my list of schools. And why would I do this? If I have a huge area with lots of districts and lots of schools, I might want to break it up. Maybe I have one person that's in charge of District 1 and another in charge of District 2. I want to break it up so that people won't have hundreds of things to look at on a form to select it. So I'm going to call this section District 1, and I'm going to add a question. And I'm going to say, what is the name of your school? And then I'm going to add, I'm going to make it a multiple choice. And I'm going to say School 1, School 2, School 3, School 4, and School 5, instead of typing all those names out. Okay. Now, so that's my District 1 answers. I'm going to add another section now, and I'm going to call that District 2. I'm actually just going to go up here and duplicate this question so I don't have to type it out again, and then I'm going to drag it underneath Section 2, District 2. And I'm going to change it just so you can see that there's a difference to School A, School B, School C, and so on and so forth. And I need one more district, so I'm going to add another section, and that's going to be called District 3. And I'll just duplicate this again, so I won't have to type it, and drag it under District 3. And we'll call this, I guess, Q, R, S, and T, and U. Okay, so now I need to go back and set it so it will go where I want it to go. So I come back up to my first question, what district is your school in? And I click on it, and I go down to the three dots, and I say, go to a section based on the answer. So if you select District 1, I want you to go to Section 2, District 1, because the top part is Section 1. So I'm going to say go to District 1, then the next one would go to Section 3 or District 2, and the last one would go to District 3. So now when I click on that, when I click on a button, it's going to automatically take me to either District 1, District 2, or District 3. And then I can pick the name of my school there. If I wanted to branch it out further, like in District 1, I can make more sections, one section for each school. That's why it's really important to use that organizer that I gave you. But right now, let's see what this looks like. I'm going to click Publish. And I'll say Publish. And let's look at it. Put my first name in, my last name, my email. What district is your school in? So I'll say District 1, click on Next, and now I have my District 1 section with the questions that I want. I'm going to go back. Let's go back. And this time I'll pick District 2. And that takes me to District 2. So it will, looks like I didn't put that section in. Let's go back and fix that. So let's go look at it. I'll go back over here. Section 2 has District 1. Section 3 has District 2. And I didn't put my section in the right place. So now I'm going to pull it down here under District 3, and now let's see if it doesn't work. We'll go back up and preview it again. It's nice that you can very easily drag stuff around. Let's go to District 3 this time and say next. And now I go to District 3. So you can keep building out as much as you want. Again, if I wanted to separate all these by schools, I would say I would make a section called School Q and put a question there, a section called School R, put the same question or whatever I wanted, or maybe I'm just giving them information. And I would go with it that way. So I hope that helps a little bit. What I found out last week is we went ahead and made the sections first. And if you don't put at least one question under the section, it won't let you add another section. So just bear that in mind.